In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana. This is a quick, reliable way to reuse work you've already organized without retyping anything. You'll be working entirely inside Asana's task pane, using simple keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening the Asana project that contains the task with the subtasks you want to reuse. You can get there from your sidebar, your favorites, or search, whatever you use most often. Once the project is open, find the task that already holds the subtasks you need and open its detail pane on the right. Inside the task, look for the subtasks area. If it's collapsed or you only see a small prompt, click View Subtasks to expand the list. This reveals each subtask as its own line, making it easy to select exactly what you want to copy. Next, select the subtask you plan to copy. Click once on the subtask row to highlight it. If you want to copy more than one, you can select multiple subtasks. Hold Shift to select a range, or use Control-click on Windows or Command-click on a Mac to pick them one by one. With your selection ready, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. That copies the selected subtasks inside Asana, so they're ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now head to the destination task, the one that should receive these subtasks. Navigate back to your project list, use the sidebar, or search to locate it, and then open the task so its detail pane is visible. You'll want to make sure you're inside the correct task before you paste. In the destination task, click into the subtasks area so your cursor is active there. If you don't see it, click View Subtasks to reveal the list. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You'll see the copied subtasks appear under this task, preserving their titles and basic structure. After they paste in, take a moment to review assignees, due dates, and any custom fields to make sure everything matches the new context. It's a small check that prevents confusion later. If paste doesn't seem to work, confirm that the subtasks area is selected before you try again. Also, briefly click a different part of the task, and then reselect the Subtasks field to reset focus if needed. Keyboard shortcuts are enabled by default in Asana, so you shouldn't need to change any settings. And that's it. You opened the source task, revealed and selected the subtasks, copied them, opened the destination task, and pasted them right where they belong. This simple technique saves time and keeps your workflow consistent across tasks.